Hi everyone, I'm so excited today. I have recently received this silver play button. Thank you for your continuous support. I couldn't have achieved this without you, really. I promise to keep delivering quality content. So keep supporting me like this. Thank you so much. Actually, this is the second time I have received this award because I have already got it for my other channel, which name is Jaya's Vlogs and Tips. I'll show you that award also ending of this video. Once again, thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for watching this video.